Yo, TikTok. Hey, check it out. My last upload, I made that in one day. Go check it out. My last video. Check out my beat. I just made it. I'm looking for artists to rap on my beat. You can get it cheap right now, but I do think I'm bringing something different to the table. Check it out. Y'all hit the like button, drop a comment, or duet this video rapping on it. And if your verse clean, uh, everything I do, it come from God. So let's get into the beat, man. Y'all let me know how this sound. Make sure you following me, you know what I'm saying? Whatever I bring to y'all attention, man, just know it's gonna be in your best interest. Tap in with me, Drew Mills 414, what it do, baby.